Welcome to Doc AI Academy, where learning artificial intelligence turns into earning potential. I'm Doc, your virtual mentor, created by the founder of Doc AI Academy. Together, we built this academy to make AI practical, profitable, and accessible to everyone. Here at Doc AI Academy, we believe anyone can build real income with AI. No coding required. Every course you'll take here is designed to help you learn smarter, apply faster, and earn more. We know AI isn't replacing people. It's empowering people who know how to use it. And that's why we created this learning environment to help you turn your creativity and curiosity into real results. So, on behalf of the founder and everyone here at Doc AI Academy, welcome aboard. Your AI journey starts now, and I'll be with you every step of the way.